Remember when GoPro used to be the alone dictator of the action camera realm? These compact and durable cams would let you capture countless fast-paced scenes in the most effective ways. But it seems GoPro is no longer the only go-to brand nowadays, as Insta360 and DJI has made action cameras more versatile than ever before. And to be more specific, it's Insta360 that's giving a real hard time to GoPro. Though Insta360 offered mainstream 360 cameras for quite a while now, they have evolved to be one of the major action camera brands over the years. So that leads us to the question, is GoPro losing their extensive camera market to Insta360? To find out, watch till the end as we discuss the current scenario of the action camera market and compare recent offerings of these respective brands. So what made Insta360 so popular all of a sudden? Performance, versatility, or its compact form factor and modular design? Let's sort out the puzzle pieces one by one. The first time when Insta360 introduced cameras that allowed you to have multiple perspectives, GoPro answered with what they called Fusion. This was no way near to what Insta360 provided, so kind of a flop we can say. Nevertheless, GoPro was mostly admired for its extremely durable and compact body that could survive even the harshest conditions. And mounting them onto your bikes or cars was pretty easy, capturing all your adventures from a first-person viewing angle. But it remains limited to the mounting accessories. Insta360 cameras, on the other hand, served the same purpose but allowed much more versatile and convenient ways of mounting. For instance, you can magnetically attach the 1x2 camera instantly with their headbands and various adapter bundles. On top of that, its modular design lets you use the same core camera in various shells, ensuring the original resolution and performance. And what makes the Insta360 stand out is its 360 shooting capability. You can literally capture all of your surroundings and set the point of view at the same time. Though GoPro tried to enter the 360 segments with its GoPro Max, consumers rather preferred the conventional action cameras. Besides, GoPro was never able to introduce itself as a proper 360 camera company. All they packed were higher resolution and better stabilization. Putting the final nail in the GoPro 360 camera coffin, Insta360 recently announced a 1-inch edition 360 camera that took over the 360 camera market by storm. You get 6K resolution, superb flow state stabilization, and a remarkable 360-degree viewing angle. Well, it doesn't end here. Taking the 360 cameras to newer heights, Insta360 also unveiled a sphere camera, which flies with your drone for taking all-around aerial footage. So whether it's on the ground or air, Insta360 has actually established itself as a true 360 action camera brand. Let alone the 360 market, the recent One RS from Insta360 also performed great, considering its low light performance and less heating issue. But even with such dominance, can Insta360 take over GoPro? Well, this doesn't seem to be happening anytime soon. GoPro is still the best in terms of choosing the best action camera if you aren't really concerned about the 360 capability. People still love GoPro. However, with the growing popularity of Insta360, GoPro should be really concerned and try to bring out the innovations like they used to have previously. What are your thoughts about the battle between GoPro and Insta360? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, consider subscribing.